Hello everyone, this is the timing cover of 640 series tractor which I'm rebuilding. So if you notice, it was painted before I start disassembling it, and very nasty and a lot of dirt and grease. So I try to wash it clean with purple power, soak it in, but purple power is people say is not good for aluminum parts. So I just rinsed it overnight and then remove it. A lot of paint came out, but some got stuck, didn't remove. There are still one or two places, tiny one, where I have paint. However, when I was actually cleaning it, I found this place has a crack, which is basically place for the fastener, which it attached to the oil pan on the front side. So this side was almost like broken, completely like cracked all 180 degree around this bowl place. So I found a welder local to my place, and they actually reinforced this. So that's why you see this gobble. It's not smooth, but it's gonna work because it's not coming out of in a ways it will stop its function. So that's what it did. I use a wire wheel to wipe clean wherever I can use, but I'm not good. I don't have that skill, and I didn't have the correct size of wire wheel, so I attached to my drill machine and try to clean it up. I was using an abrasive pad. I think that's like vinyl or something made of, but it was so hard, so I tried it. It was actually doing harm than good, so I didn't use it. Other than that, it came out like this. So I'm planning to actually do a primer and then paint it. There's a plan. I'm not sure what paint it will stick to the aluminum body, but that's my plan. One more thing I also noticed, I'm going to show you. While I was, if you notice, there is a crack is developing. Since I did a wire brush cleaning, I can see this crack, very tiny one, is developing right on this place where a seal will go. Other than that, everything looks good. So I'm planning to paint it at some time, maybe after I install it. So again, there are so many skills needed: painting, welding, and tiny things coming up. So I will try not to get distracted. So that's the plan. All right, bye. Timing cover has been painted. It looks pretty nice. This is not the Ford color, but I like this. Hello everyone, this is my tractor engine's oil pan, valve cover, and side push rod cover. All three are here. I gave it to get it washed. I wasn't sure like should I wash by myself or not, but when I got back, all paint has been removed. All I see is rust and some shiny parts. So, and also the rocker arm assembly is also clean. However, the other purpose to visit my machinist was to get this piece, this side of this tube squared straight, because when I was actually connecting it like this side, there was a gap between. So I'm going to put it in a way so you can send. So when I was putting this, there was a gap right here between this face plate, and it was curved, no, it wasn't straight like cupping, so there was a possibility to oil leak. So if oil leak, it means pressure has been released and oil pump will not generate enough pressure. So it was a small thing to observe and notice, so I made it fix. So what he did, he put it in a vise, and not even vise, with a hydraulic press he made it exactly straight, so it's perfectly ready for gasket, and I'm going to assemble it now. However, these 3 pieces of sheet metal are actually, these all 3 covers needs to be painted, so I bought primer and enamel. So I'm going to paint it orange. All these 4 parts will be orange like this. This is Chevy orange, and what color I got? So I got several different colors and one more box spray. This is, I bought it from O'Reilly Auto Parts. It was on sale, $5.99, and I may find somewhere more cheaper, I don't know, but I just need it. So this is Chevy orange D1620. So this is the one I'm going to paint it, but engine block I'm going to paint similar, same color as primer, but it's little actually this is not primer, this is the one, so it's little lighter silver. That's the one I'm going to paint on the block, and I have another one for the head going to be black. I want everything different. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to do, and once it's painted I'll continue to assemble it, and I think nothing else is remaining for me to assemble the engine without any dependency on anyone else. So last night I also used this tap and die kit to clean some rusty bolts or fix the threads, and that's what I'm going to use to clear any hole before I actually use this. Use the bolt and assembling it, so it will be handy. But this is my first time using tap and die set. I bought it from Harbor Freight for $30 with $25 25% coupon, so it came out to $30 some tax. So this is one thing. I know I'm not going to use a lot, but it's good enough for me. This is the rocker arm assembly, has been cleaned, washed, everything is ready. This tube is a this is a feeder tube, oil feed tube, and this is the return. So this is good. I can start putting it back, but however, the first thing first, oil pump needs to be installed, some cover, oil pan, and then I think inside will be ready. I hope I'm not missing. The only thing is I'm not sure how to install the oil dipstick tube. No, not dipstick tube. This one, this tube for the rocker arm assembly feed, oil feed tube. It has this is without the gasket, but this one has this rubber gasket. So I'm going to remove, and I'll see if I have this matching one in my gasket set kit. So, but I'm a little worried. I remove it with force, pull it out, but I'm not sure how easy it is for me to push it down. Also, I forgot to ask the clearance for these tappets, rocker arm, between the valve and this side clearance. So I probably, before starting it, I need to set the clearance. So I'll keep in mind when I'm assembling it. I will do it that time. They washed it, clean everything. This is the air breather in the valve cover. I don't know where to buy the nicer one, a cleaner one. So it looks like it's washed very nicely. Yeah. All right, that's all. Bye.